Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to add friends on your Pokemon Go account. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open the Pokemon Go app from wherever it is located. And as you open your Pokemon Go app, it takes a while to load because it depends on internet speed. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And as it loads, you are in this place as an app. So just stay at this place and look at the left bottom corner for your profile. And as you see it, just click it. And as you open the profile page, go in the option friends at the top. And as you do that, you can see the option add friend right here and just click on there. And as you click it, just scroll down where you can see this search box. All you have to do is just click on this box and type the friends trainer code and press on send. So guys, that's how to add friends on your Pokemon Go account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.